Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Just found an auntie here. She's so sweet.
Friend, I just
This is I'll take this one. This one is mine. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Today is Sunday and we are going to the doctor. And we have our appointment at 1:30. And in the morning our mom made us breakfast. We had parathas with egg fry and we had sevaya as a sweet, and then now we are not like in a rush, but we were getting ready in the morning, so we finished our breakfast fast. But I'll show you how my mom made it, a quick recipe.
Till now, mom just made one paratha and I'm so hungry. Mom, do it fast. We are just trying it till now. It is not getting fast. Mom, today I don't want to eat Nutella and bread. Fry one egg with that paratha.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Such a look.
You are taking so much time. Do it a little fast. I'm hungry.
Thought you'd fall for somebody like me. When you ask my name, I panic. So what am I late?
Why are you doing that? Just pick it. I'm hungry. Mom, give me my egg fry first. Why are you frying that paratha now? Fry it fast. Mom, I'm too much hungry. Can you do it more fast? Mom, don't fry one egg for me. Give me more eggs. Except of one. Give me more. So we all ate our breakfast. Now our mom is eating after giving us. After that we will visit the doctor.
We are here in the taxi now. As you can see, we are going to the doctor's place now, and when we reach there, I'll meet you. Bye. We have reached our destination. We have come to the doctor's place. Now we will go inside. This is the, I don't know, the clinic. We will go inside and I'll show you. We have done, like, visiting the doctor is over. Now we have reached to a mall. We have come here tonight. We are I'll show you. Tonight we're gonna go inside. We're gonna do some little bit of shopping. I'll show you around. Then we'll go to a restaurant, eat some food, and then we'll go home. Everything in here is very cheap. I never imagined it's going to be like that type of mall, but everything is very cheap. Wait, I'll show you. See, like this honey, it's just 3.50 dirhams. These. and this one's just 1.99 dirham. And you won't believe what I found. I just found like spaghettis and pastas.
Hi,
Just found an auntie here. She's so
I'm
sweet.
friend. I just met my new friend.
Yeah, we
She's
just
so
met her.
nice.
I love this auntie. We just met her right now. She was just helping us.
I'm in night tonight, so I can get to make some shopping. Just let
Yeah.
you know.
We
Alright.
came here.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Have a nice shopping.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
We just met her. She was so awesome. I loved her. Like, so I was telling you, I found something very special. I found like a spaghetti noodles in just 0.99 dirham. I mean, sorry, pills. 99 pills only. So here's my mom showing. She was only just 4.50 dirhams. People in here are so nice. Like, I love them. They're behaving so nice, especially that auntie. Oh, man, I wish she lived near us somewhere. Yeah.
Body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? Somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, heard you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. Somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like.
The shopping is over, so we came here for eating something because we were really hungry. Now we're gonna order something and then
Somebody like me. When you ask my name, I panic. So out of my league. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Such a look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic, before I knew. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic, before I knew it, we talked. And I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what.
Last day we ate this and we all liked it very much. That's why today also we ordered this. It's so yummy. But it's so hot.
Fall for somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic, before I knew it, we talked.
Chili, onion, everything together looks very tasty, right? Our eating is finished. We finished most of the things. Now we have finished eating and we'll head home. These are all the items that we bought from Night to Night. I'm going to show you one by one. This is a Nutella that we bought for me and my sister. Then my mom likes to try many types of teas. That's why today she bought this tea. This is like the Akbar Premium Quality Tea Gold. I don't know, she just bought it for trying. I guess that's a good looking. Yeah. It looks nice. Next is my dad said her to buy something for herself, but she don't like to buy something for herself. That's why she bought this frying pan. She likes to buy kitchen items. Then these are some pastas. I bought it 4 packets. You must be thinking why I bought it 4 packets, because it was very cheap. Then there are the spaghettis. It was also very cheap. And this my sister's friend's birthday is on tomorrow, Monday. That's why she bought this gift. And we went to buy this gift, then we did some shopping. And that's all we bought. And then that's all we bought, and then it's almost late. We need to go to sleep because tomorrow is our school. Like one of our uncle, he gave us this gift, and auntie too. Yeah, auntie too. We got this gift from she came from Lucknow in India. Yeah, we were first seeing it. It's a chicken piece.
Wow.
It's so beautiful. I really love it.
I
Thank
think
you.
it's not for you.
Yeah, it will not even fit me. It's nice. I really love it. It's white color. This one is, I think, the top. Is it dupatta?
No.
What?
This is the
Oh no,
No.
This is dinnerware. Dinnerware. Yes,
Where is the
it's
dupatta?
okay. We'll have it. This is the
That-
this is very beautiful. I'll take this one.
You know.
I think
I
it's
think
for
it's mine.
Hannah. Yeah.
Really?
This is, where I think with this. Sorry, it's
That's
Uda.
too long.
So I think this, for Hannah don't like to wear this type of clothes. So I think I'll take this one. But I like the white one still. I'm gonna take this one. And mom will take that one. Yeah, so this is where this for Hannah. This one's mine.
This one is mine.
So bye bye. Bye bye, Masalama.
Masalama.